Tired of your old birth control routine?
Pharmaceutical companies overwhelm viewers with direct-to-consumer advertising to start a dialogue between the doctor and patient. Many pharmaceutical companies hope that this dialogue will end with a free prescription sample.
Ask your doctor.
Ask your doctor.
Ask your doctor.
Sales representatives push their product because they are faced with stiff competition. According to the FDA, 7 out of 10 prescriptions filled in the U.S. are generic. Last year, Pfizer, manufacturer of the drug Lipitor, made nearly $6 billion in the U.S. from the drug alone. However, the company reported a 10% loss in revenue from Lipitor in the 2009 fiscal year. The company cites competition from generics as the primary reason for the decrease in revenue.
Drugs like Lipitor, which most people have heard about, it's a cholesterol drug, that has been a multi-billion-dollar drug for probably 10 or 15 years, okay? Trust me when I tell you, that company has made that money that they spent on it back probably 20 or 30 times already.
Generics present competition because they are the exact same drug, just produced by a generic pharmaceutical company. For patients insured in the state of Massachusetts, pharmacists are required to dispense a generic when it is available, unless otherwise requested.
Some patients who insist that the brand name medications work better for them, and they insist on getting a prescription from me which says dispense as written, D-A-W. And so if I write D-A-W, then the pharmacist knows that he cannot dispense the generic drug.
With the increased use of generics, pharmaceutical companies are pushing new drugs, often available as free samples, to increase revenue.
When brand name drugs are brought out, they're heavily marketed, and sometimes the influence of the marketing is so powerful that the medical community will take up this new medication and abandon older therapies. I'm not exactly sure whether or not they believe the television more or whether they believe their doctor more. And I'm sure that many primary care physicians are faced with this daily battle of contesting the claim of the television.
Although free samples are the largest marketing expense, they are not the only tools pharmaceutical companies use to attract patients to their newest drugs. In a culture consumed by technology, it seems that advertisements may be more trusted than a doctor's opinion.
Severe liver problems, some fatal. Maneuvering may increase the risk for blood clots.
People with liver problems
not improve or gets worse.
And yellowing of the skin or eyes.
ask your doctor.